I kind of learned my lesson with the small player on the front end and brought that into my passive investing. And I invested, my first two deals I invested with were very large national brands that had very good brand, had very good, they were personalities that I know, liked, and trusted, that I'd been listening to their podcast for years and years and years. I'll just leave it there. Coming from the corporate America world where I have been, I've worked for Fortune 100 and 200 companies. So I like large brands. I like well-established brands with good infrastructure. So that was really my goal on my first couple of investments. So I invested in the fund model for the first two deals. And over the course of a handful of months and enjoying the returns and liking the communication, I ended up finding a local operator here in Phoenix who is, one of the top 2 or 3 purchasers of apartments here in Arizona. And it was a bright up and coming gentleman that had done amazing things over a handful of years, and decided to invest with him, and ended up investing very heavily over, I think I'm in 9 different deals with that operator now. And I've brought investor capital, some of my investors that work with me, I've brought to his deals as well, and have had a very positive experience with it, with good cash flow, and had one deal go full cycle in like 14 months, which was just amazing. And then I started playing around with different asset classes and different operators, primarily in the Sun Belt, just to really diversify across different assets and operators and different deals.
So on the first one where you went with the fund model, was what kind of assets were in that fund?
It was a mobile home fund.
Okay.
Yep.
And are you still in it?
I am still in it. Yeah, I've been in it for a couple of years, over a couple of years now. Get my quarterly distributions, get my K1s in a timely fashion, get regular communication from that operator at or above, with returns at or above what they promised on the front end. So that's been a very positive experience.